Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video, we shall discuss the Mindtree technical interview questions and the experience from few candidates. So these are the technical interview questions and the experience from the interview which was conducted yesterday and today itself. So we shall discuss those interview questions. So the first interview experience one. So the first question will be tell me about yourself, and next question is regarding the, so this is all about the technical interview questions. So then what is an array? Then write a code to print the maximum element in an array. So you need to write a code and show them how to print a maximum element in an array. Then write a code. So they will give a pattern. So pattern printing. So given a pattern, you need to write a code to print that pattern. And next one is pseudocode for bubble sort. And also you need to, then the next question is write a code for reversing a string. And then what is a queue and what is a linked list. And then regarding OOPS concept. So what is OOPS? And they're going to ask what are the features of OOPS. So you can say inheritance, polymorphism, and you can explain them with nicely with the real world examples. And then about the project. So this is the importance of about the project they're going to ask, and you need to tell about your projects nicely. So then this is the interview experience too. So the first will be tell me about yourself, and then regarding the conditional statements. Then after that, so conditional statements like break, continue statements. So like those questions they are going to ask. And then what is an array? Then after that, the two-dimensional array implementation. So you need to tell them the how to implement the two-dimensional array. You can explain them, and you can write the code for the same. And next one is write a logic for Fibonacci series. So you need to write a code or the logic to generate the Fibonacci series. And next one is the write a code for bubble sort, and write a code to reverse a string in Java. So many of the questions they are repeated, like reversing a string, then to print a palindrome, then bubble sort implementation. And the next one is differences between the C programming language and the Java programming language. And next one is the what is OOPS. So after that they are going to ask like any doubts, you can post them questions. And then interview experience 3. So the first will be, so it depends on the interviewer. They may ask you tell me about yourself, or they may directly ask you about the projects itself in the beginning. So you can tell about your projects for 15 to 20 minutes. And next one is same code for sorting using loops. It can be bubble sort, selection sort, or any other sorting and searching algorithms like bubbles, binary search. So next is explain bubble sort with pseudocode, and same write a code to reverse an array. So reversing an array, reversing an string. So you can prepare on those. And next one is while and do while loop logic for that, and then switch case structure. So you can tell the syntax of the switch case with an example. So next one is the interview experience 4. So again, tell me about yourself, and they are going to ask you about your skills, like which programming language you are familiar about. You can tell to them like you are good at Java or C or Python, and they will ask the questions regarding the same. So the next is regarding the OOPS concepts in Java, and then the important concepts in Java like inheritance. So they may ask you to write the program on inheritance. And then after that, so method overloading and method overriding. So these are the important concepts in Java, and they're going to ask you about the overloading. You can define that, and you can explain them, and they may ask you to write the programs on that. And then string concatenation, and this is important, like find a so given a sentence you need to find a string, so you need to display the string, so you need to write a logic or the code for the same. And then same explain loops and breaks and continue statements with an example. And then about your project. And then apart from that, if you have done any of the certification courses, you can tell them. So next is the interview experience 5. So again, self introduction, and then regarding your project, and then write a program to reverse a number. So they are going to ask the simple programs like reversing a number, reversing a string, then a code for palindrome, then the code for decimal sum to print the decimal sum, then program to perform string palindrome, then again code for reversing a string, and then the pseudocode for sorting and searching algorithms. So you can prepare on sorting algorithms like linear search, binary search, and for coding, and then code for sorting algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort. So you need to tell them the code, or you can write the pseudocode for that or implementation. So next one is write a code to swap the numbers without using temp variable. So you need to write a program to swap the numbers, and you should not use without using a temp variable. So next one is given a sentence, you need to write a code to find a particular string. So the sentence will be given and you need to find a particular string and display that string from the given sentence. So next one is the interview experience 6. So again, the first will be introduction. Then after that, they are going to ask the coding question. So as the first round will be assessment, which will be consisting of all aptitude and coding. So they may pick any of the coding question from the assessment, and they may ask you to write the logic for the same. So you should be able to write the logic for that code. And next question is like where will be the linked list used, and then implementation of that. And next question, so they're going to give a scenario of e-commerce website or any other, and they are going to ask you in brief like how you will implement, and you can tell your thoughts and ideas regarding that. So next is about your project. So you can tell about your final year projects, like how you did it implemented, and all the features you can tell them in detail. So next is interview experience 7. So again it is starts from about yourself, then about your project, and same. You can so code for linear search algorithm, so binary search, as well as code for bubble sort. And then OOPS concept, and then after that so pointer concept. So they may ask you regarding the pointer concept. And next thing is so if they are asking you about the pointer concept in Java, so this is to confuse you. You can say that there is no any pointer concept in Java. So next thing is they may give a code and they may ask you to predict the output for that. So you should be able to predict the output for the given question. So next is the interview experience 8. So the first will be regarding the assessment questions. So then first they are going to ask you like how did you perform in the assessment, and they may ask the questions from that assessment also. It can be coding question or anything, so you should be able to answer them. And then after that so tell me about yourself, and then code for prime factorization, and then code to generate Fibonacci series, and then implementation of one-dimensional as well as two-dimensional array. Then write a code for a palindrome, and then difference between array and string, and also pointer concepts. And then the next is write a syntax for loop, and you need to write a code to find the sum of two elements in Python. So if you don't know Python, you can say that you can write the code in C or Java. So you can write the same thing in other programming language also. If you are familiar in Python, you can write in Python itself. So then the next is searching and sorting techniques. So overall, you can say you can prepare on searching and sorting techniques. It can be bubble sort, selection sort, then binary search, linear search. You should be able to write the code for that. And then important coding question like Fibonacci series, then prime factorization, then so all those palindrome, reversing a string, reversing an array, and then you can prepare on the OOPS concept and some basic questions. So these are all the interview experience questions. So that was asked yesterday and today itself. So you can prepare on the same. So you can prepare on these interview questions and you can easily crack the technical interview round. So hope this video is useful for everyone, and thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.